Hi, Miss Lee. Thank you so much for the extension. This paper was really important to me, and you know how important your
Would
class
you
is.
like to come in for some tea? I just put the pot on.
Yeah, sure. It's been so crazy and hectic with, the college apps and everything. I didn't want to turn in a half-done paper. Because there's a scholarship that I've been working really hard for, and my English grade needs to be at least a 95.
Sugar?
Oh, no thanks. But honestly, I really do care about your class. You're the first teacher who really invested in me and cared. Should I give you the paper now? Or...
You have such beautiful eyes.
Oh, thank you, but
Your
no.
hair is absolutely gorgeous. How do you get it to curl like that?
Oh, it's just natural.
So beautiful. I bet your mom complimented you all the time.
Yeah, I should really get going.
But you didn't finish your tea.
Oh, it's okay. Here's the paper.
You do realize there will be a 15-point penalty on the final grade.
I'm sorry?
Your paper is 3 days overdue.
You never mentioned anything.
Everything comes at a cost, young lady. You do well to learn that now before you attend college.
But Miss Lee, you misled me. You deceived me.
I'm sorry, but you deceived yourself.
This is bullshit.
Excuse me?
Can you please open...
Here we go. Now, please be patient. You'll get your tea. No, your face! How can you be pretty now? You're ugly. You'll never be as pretty as the other ones. You